Alright guys, today we have a G37 Coupe here, and I'm going to teach you how to remove the radio faceplate off of this. First things first, I'm going to slide this down like that. You're going to see a little clip in here. Just open up part of the clip like that. Don't lose this clip, they'll go flying. So try and tame it a little bit. And then you're going to pop this off. And what I like to do so I don't lose these clips is I just put it right back on like that. There you go. There. So it pops on like that, and then you're going to want to get something narrow. And before you do this, you're going to want to press on your e-brake because we're going to be putting this into neutral in order to get the top plate off. So you press down in that hole, and then that will allow you to go into neutral. So there's neutral right there. Alright, so pull your pick back out of there. And then we're going to come up here, go in through the side of that plastic. Just give it a little twist to get out. Same thing on this side. Go in right there. Give it a little twist so you don't damage the dash. And then go like that. That's going to expose these bottom clips right here. And you'll see them pop out right now. These ones right here. So you pop those out. These break really easily. So there's that. Now we can go into the shift boot. Just go along this side right here. To find out where it's all going to come out right here. Some parts are going to be like if somebody spilled a soda in here and it's all like sealed and gross in here, it's going to kind of sound a little intimidating coming out. It's going to sound like everything's breaking, but all this comes straight out. So just go like that. I like to do all 3 corners, and then I'll go to the last one when I'm holding it. So just hold that straight up. And the reason we put it into neutral is because of right now. If it was in park, we wouldn't be able to come back with this. So you just go straight up, lean this to the side like that, and we're going to see 5 plugs that we need to take off. So with the smaller plugs, I like to use a pick. I'll center the pick on the release point on the plug, and they come out just like that. So there's 3. Then we're going to go to the shift assembly and unplug that one. And then this one is for your cigarette lighter. These ones are kind of tricky to do. So if you look in here, it doesn't really show you where to press. But if you press right there, sorry that popped off quick, but right here, you wouldn't think that that's a release tab, but it goes in and out. So you press down on that and it will let you get the shift bezel boot off, just like that. Okay, so once we have the shift bezel boot off, I'm going to get my Phillips head drill. I'm going to go to here first. I'm going to hit these 2 on the bottom. And then pop out from the bottom like this, and it should slide out of the AC vent and the Navi buttons up here. Don't pull too hard on this, because if you pull hard on this ribbon right here, that controls your air conditioning, and if you mess that up, it will throw like a bunch of things wrong with the car. Like you'll get ABS lights, you'll get a bunch of warning lights, and your AC will be on. It'll be blowing heat at full blast, so you don't want to do that. So I always do that one first, and then I do this small one right here, because that'll give you a little more room to come out. Put that in there like that. And just like that, that's how you get the radio faceplate out.